Step into the 2011 BMW 1 Series 135i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: turbocharged, power steering, rear-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, HID headlights auto-leveling, automatic headlights, MP3 player and auxiliary audio input. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.